means on. Part and I'm getting my scream on. Into the kingdom, but watch it you bring home. You see a black man with a white woman at the top floor, they gon' come to kill King Kong. Middle America packed in. Can't see me in my black skin. Number one question they asking. Fuck every question you asking. If I don't get ran at my Catholics, it comes to conservative Baptists, claiming I'm overreacting like
the long-winded journey to the cafe. I mean, the B-roll clearly shows that we've been walking here for like 20 hours. Is that better? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. This is just the sort of white balance that I usually go with. Take a look at buses, shit like that. We're going to the cafe, as I previously said, walking along the way. So right now, just thinking about where we're going to go for lunch, things like that. So hopefully enjoying this episode. If you are, let me know in the comment section down below by leaving a like. Greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'm going to head off right now.